Good morning from KL. This is our second day here. It's our last full day. And right now we are getting on the monorail to head to KL Central and then to the Batu Caves. So pretty excited to see that. KL Central now, heading to the Batu Caves. Made it to Batu Caves, and this looks like it's going to be really cool, but we're starving, so we're going to eat first. We are at a restaurant called Devalshi Cafe, and it's right beside the Batu Caves, and we're about to have, oh, thank you. We are about to try something called vadai, and it looks like a donut, and it's served with a coconut curry. Oh, that's really good. It's like a savory donut, and the coconut curry, it's actually a little bit spicy, but strong coconut flavor. This is good. This food looks really good. So for breakfast today we have a masala tosai with a red chili and onion curry and dal and then a coconut curry. And we have these little donuts called vadai and then a roti canai with the same curries. And then this amazing drink which is super good.
Thank you, Dad.
Just finished breakfast and that was actually really delicious. And now we are starting our ascent into the Batu Caves. Walking into the Batu Caves now, and these are huge, and there are monkeys everywhere. It's pretty incredible here. So that was the Batu Caves, really cool. This is one of the most sacred sites, Hindu sites outside of India. So that's pretty interesting. It's a little touristy, but it's still massive and just scenic. It's really hard for me to capture just how big it really is on the camera, but you have to come here yourself. Just caught a cab back to the apartment. Cabs here in KL are extremely cheap. We've been taking them even more than using the public transportation. So that's pretty nice. And right now we're gonna go for a swim and then head back out for lunch and to the KL Bird Park. Heading back out into the city, going to get ikan bakar for lunch. Okay, we just finished at the ikan bakar place, and that was honestly the best thing we've had here. hands down. That was incredible. I've never had stingray before, so that was my first time, but oh my god, I'm going to eat it every chance I get from now on. So make sure you stay tuned for the food video because I'm including all the restaurants we've eaten at here in KL. And now we are heading to the bird park. Gonna try to find our way there. Okay, found our way to the KL bird park and there's monkeys everywhere. Largest free flight walk-in aviary, and we already see a ton of birds, so we're gonna go explore. This place is really cool. It's huge and the birds are like all over the place, so you can walk right up to them, but some of them are pretty feisty. Like one just tried to bite me.
Oh.
Feisty.
I should have guessed it.
This is an awesome park and it's way cooler that the birds are free to roam. It's not really like a zoo. They can do whatever they want and it's huge, so there's lots of space to move around. I would definitely recommend coming here if you're in KL. So Sabrina and I see an advertisement for the little fish that eat the skin off your feet. We've never done that before, so I think we're gonna go try it out right now. Oh. What does it feel like?
Feels like a million bugs all over my feet.
Oh my god.
It tickles so bad. It's like vibrating. I don't know if I'm gonna have skin left.
Oh man, there's so many.
This is amazing. It's going to pour rain.
This feels exactly the same as when you sit on your foot too long or something and it's like pins and needles. It's kind of like weirdly satisfying. Finished with the fish. That was really cool. Now we are heading to Bukit Bintang to do a little bit of shopping. Gonna catch a cab. We are just at the Berjaya Times Square, which is the biggest shopping mall in KL and the 5th largest building in the entire world. And I think we're just gonna do some shopping, so I'll check in with you when we are finished. Back at the apartment now. That was quite the mall. That was probably the biggest mall I've ever been in, and we are really bad at shopping. I didn't buy anything. Tonight we are heading out to go eat some more at a hawker center. But like I said, I'm making a whole video just about the food, so I'm not going to include that, and I think I'm just going to sign off the vlog for today. Sorry if this is a little short one, but I hope you enjoyed the Batu Caves and the bird park because those were both amazing places. Stay tuned for this food video. It's going to be huge, all the different things we tried here. That was pretty much what our trip was for, so I hope you watch it and I hope you enjoy it. Make sure if you didn't already watch yesterday's vlog, check that out. Link in the description. And give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more food videos and vlogs like this. So, see you next time. Thanks for watching.